Watch this. Don't look away. I want you to look for the cut. The moment where the face changes, the lighting shifts, the seam gives it away. Because that's what AI video has always done. You stitch clips together and hope they match. That's 30 seconds. One generation, one take. No cuts, no stitching, nothing drifts. And it wasn't just made, it was directed. 50 references, editing by the second, changing the camera without changing the scene. Seedance 2.5 is here. And for the first time, you're not fixing AI video, you're directing it. I'm going to show you exactly what it can do, live, and how to get 33 days of unlimited access. First, real quick, if you're new here, welcome to ManuAGI. I'm Manu, and on this channel, I show you the best AI tools and how to use them in simple steps anyone can follow. If that sounds helpful, hit subscribe, because this one is a perfect example. Okay, let's make an AI animation story. So, what actually changed? Seedance 2.5 upgrades 3 things, and everything else follows from them. 1. Lengthen story. You now get up to 30 seconds in a single generation, double what 2.0 gave you. And it's not one long moment, it's a scene. Multiple shots can live inside those 30 seconds. So a story starts, builds, turns, and lands. And you can extend it. Add the next shot onto a video you already made, and your characters, locations, and pacing carry over. That means minutes of story without you patching transitions. 2. References. What you feed it. Up to 50 references in one generation. 30 images, 10 video clips, 10 audio files. Your whole cast, your location, your look, your track, all at once. And in group scenes, everyone keeps their own face and their own voice. That's exactly where AI video usually falls apart. 3. Editing. What you change afterwards. This is the part I didn't expect. You can direct by the second. Set what happens from 0 to 5 seconds, 6 to 10, and so on. You can change one stretch without touching what's on either side. You can move a performance to a whole new location, or keep the scene identical and just change the camera. Coverage you never shot. All right, enough talking. Let me actually use it. First, go to ChatGPT or Claude to create your story video prompt. Before creating the story video, we first need a story idea. If you already have a story idea, that is perfect. But if you do not have one yet, you can use this prompt to generate new ideas for your story. For example, I want to create a new 3D animation story, so I will enter this prompt. I want to create a 3D short animation story. Give me 5 creative ideas for my story. Now press enter. In a few seconds, ChatGPT will create 5 original 3D cartoon short animation story ideas. For example, The Moon Collector, The Robot Who Wanted to Dream, The Dragon Under the Bed, and 2 more story ideas. You can choose any story idea you like. If you do not like the ideas, you can generate more ideas again. After selecting your story idea, copy my 3D short animation story master prompt for Seedance 2.5. This master prompt is also available in the video description, so do not worry. Just copy the complete master prompt. Now go back to ChatGPT and paste it. At the top of this prompt, you will see a section for the story title. This is where you need to enter your selected story title. Otherwise, you paste your story title here. For this video, I am choosing this story idea, The Dragon Under the Bed. So I will copy this title and paste it into the story title section. Do not change anything else in the master prompt. Just add your story title and press enter. In a few seconds, ChatGPT will create your complete 3D animation story prompt. As you can see here, this full prompt includes the complete story, character details, and scan-by-scan visuals. Now, simply copy the complete text to video 3D animation story prompt. You can also use the copy button to copy it directly. Next, simply go on Higgsfield AI to create our story video. Here, go to the video section and select the Seedance 2.0 4K model. You will see a dashboard like this, and here Seedance 2.5 lets you use up to 50 reference inputs to control your AI video. You can upload it using the Upload Media button, or you can open the Image Generation tab and select the image you already created inside Higgsfield. One useful feature in Higgsfield AI is the Check Eligibility option. For now, we do not have any reference images, so we use our master Seedance 2.5 text-to-video prompt, which is we copy on the ChatGPT after pasting our master prompt. Next, choose your model. Simply select Seedance 2.5 latest video model. Now choose your video duration. The default duration is 8 seconds, but for this video, I need a longer result, so I select 30 seconds. Next, choose the video aspect ratio. For this example, I select 16:9. Then choose your video resolution, max quality. After selecting everything, click on the Generate button and the video generation process will begin. After a few seconds, my video is ready. Now, my final result is ready. Let's watch the result.
Who's there? A dragon? You're scared too. It's just my cat. You're adorable!
It looks really amazing. The AI created the full video according to our just a text to video prompt. Now just click on the download button to save your video. So here's my honest take. The 30-second one take is the headline, but the real jump is control. 50 references going in and second-by-second editing coming out. It's the first time this has felt less like rolling dice and more like directing. And right now, you can get 33 days of unlimited Seedance on Higgsfield, which is exactly what you want with a model like this, because the way you get good is volume. Generate, tweak, generate again. The link's in the description. Oh, one tip. For the best experience, use Higgsfield on desktop. That's where everything we just did runs best. That's Seedance 2.5. 30 seconds, one take, 50 references, and editing by the second. Links below if you want the 33 days of unlimited access. If this was useful, hit subscribe. I'm putting this model through a lot more on this channel. And tell me in the comments, what would you make with a 30-second one take? Best idea gets pinned. Click the video on your screen to keep going. See you in the next one.